Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can charge your OnePlus Buds Pro. Okay, so we got two methods. In the first one, we can simply use this wireless charger. So what you have to do, just simply plug the USB-C cable or the micro USB cable to your charger, plug it to electricity, then simply put back earbuds to the case, but remember to remove this foil. And you have to be sure that this metal part sticking to this pins. Put it correctly, close the case, and right now when we close the case, after a few moments this light will disappear, right? And when we put it on the charging case or plug the cable to the case, this icon will be turned on. And so it means when it's red, it means that the battery level of the case is below 50%. When it's green, under the charging, it means that the battery level is over 50%. So there's the wireless option to charge, and there's also the wired by using the cable. So simply you have to use this USB-C cable. You can use this cable that you get in your box with the case, with your phone. There's no matter of the power of your charger. You can just simply put cable to your laptop, to your PC, or to your TV, to any power source, and then plug it right here, and it will be charging. As you can see, it's the same icon like we put it on the charging and on the wireless charger. As you can see, it's very simple. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.